Yeah. Natalie, yo, what's up? You ready? OG, Manatred. Yo, this one goes out to all the grandmarians out there. These side cruises. Bust right
Everybody listen, I got music you might wanna hear. There's a family of lions here that you are gonna feel. We be burning up the town. Come a little close, we'll beat you down. 'Cause we've got it, you want it, come get it, you get it. And to all you other haters from the east, north and south, let this be a red light warning your despair. Watch your mouth, we got the heat from the west, center of excellence, we're the best. And we've got it, you want it, come get it, you get it. Ah, ooh, let the lions roar. Ah, ooh, let the lions roar. The lions roar. Ah, 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 ah. I've got rainbow colors, gray safari screaming really loud. We be cruising, won't be losing. Tribe of Judah, make us proud. We be jamming all day long, won't hold back. We're going strong 'cause we've got it. You want it, come get it, you get it. Ah, ooh, let the lions roar. Ah, ooh, let the lions roar. The lions roar. Ah, 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 ah. We write a history like nobody ever do before. He left a scar on my heart from a lion paw. Before the dawn of kingdom time to this present hour, Lion of Judah, rise the glory, showing your power. Reverend creation, new generation, across nation, times the very operation of this current creation. This real from lion cubs, I we do believe. So hold the scripture isn't fast and you will receive. Yes, we be knocking and seeking, no stress to dot it. Now I can hear the mighty roar and this time we got it.
Stepping out the room.